Welcome, student. Let us continue with this third lesson, that is the noun number. So here are the nouns in the differently we use as numbers. Okay, the noun that denotes only one person or a thing is said to be singular number, while that another definition of a plural number is a noun that denotes more than one person or a thing is said to be the plural numbers. So here are some numbers are given in the singular and plural form. Okay. Uh, the first is window. Window is a single window, and when it is turned into the plural form, we added s as a suffix to make window as a windows, so it becomes the plural. Next is a class. So in the singular it is considered as a single class, while it is when we convert it into the plural form, we write the classes. We added es at the end of the word, that is we considered as a suffix. Okay, when we added this es to the class, this word becomes plural. Leaf, leaf and knife both have a similar process. That is, when we are going to make this leaf and knife in a plural form, we added es and take out the f and fe, so the word becomes leaves and knives in a plural form. Okay. Next word is a photo. When we make photos, just add s. Volcanoes, we added es at the end. Okay, so next is the ladies. Lady becomes ladies, ies. The y, instead of y, we write down the ies for the plural word. Next is key. Y is at the end of singular form, and it turns sometimes it ends with s. And tooth becomes teeth. Tooth. The vowel sound changes from singular to plural form. Vowels, it is tooth to teeth. Okay. And child becomes children at the end of en. Ship, it remains as it is. Physics. Okay. These words physics and scissors does not have any physics does not have any plural use, and while scissors does not have any singular use. So these are the some types of the singular and plural form of the word. Okay, here we have picture, and we can write down this type of word of the noun numbers, which are singular and plural. So here are many nouns, that the person, boy, girl, baby, ladies, both ladies. Okay, cow, deer, trees, bushes, house, door, ducks, flowers, So here we can write in the form of singular and plural form of the word. So students, you can write down it in your notebook and send me a photograph of these uh, noun numbers. Okay. So here is the next lesson, that is noun gender. We learn about the numbers in the nouns, that is singular and plural form. Now we are going to study about the gender, which is considered in the noun. There are four types of genders. Four types of genders, that is masculine, feminine, common gender and neuter gender. Okay, in the masculines we have father, landlord, tigers, means male person or animal. Okay, and then feminine gender, mother, landlady, tigress, female persons or animals. And in common gender we have friend, cousin, doctor, either male or female person. Okay, it is not sure in a common gender. Okay, while in a neuter gender, library, television, honesty, the places, things, abstract nouns are considered as a neuter gender. In the masculine and feminine, there is a change in the word of the persons, that is male person and female persons, that is masculine and feminine. The masters became mistress for the feminine, waiters become waitress, emperor become empress, bee become drone, colt become filly, fox become vixen. Masculine, gentleman becomes lady, lords become lady, sir become madam, bridegroom becomes bride, ram becomes Eve, peacock becomes peahen, she goat becomes she goat. So these are some masculine and feminine. Here in this paragraph we have different genders or gender nouns. In this we have to identify that there lived a witch. So witch is a singular masculine, witch in the court of king. King is a masculine. She was which feminine. She was a disguise. So none of the king's gentlemen feminine, masculine, news about it. She was indeed wicked woman feminine. She wanted to marry a count, a son of the Grand Duchess, masculine. Grand Duchess became a landlady. So she wanted to become a landlady. It is feminine. She lived with her nephew masculine. Nephew in the mansions where she kept a cunning foxes, for innocent does, many hens. So these are foxes. Foxes are the masculine, does and hens are feminine. Geese, and even a bull masculine. Okay. Day and night she plotted and planned. She knew that the day and count become the bridegroom. She would hairless to all he owned. Okay. So here are some a single paragraph in which there are words. That words we have to divide in a masculine and feminine. Okay.